Little experiment you can't learn at Harvard University. Roll the paper into a cylinder and hang it at 45 degrees to ignite the upper end. You will see the white smoke flowing down the river to form a spectacular white waterfall. Touching the steel velvet with a 9-volt battery will burst into a brilliant spark like the discharge of brain neurons. A magnet is attached to the bottom of the battery and a copper coil is placed on the positive pole, which is the driving force for the rotation of the electric wheel. Fold the 5 toothpicks in half and put them together. Drop a few drops of water in the center, and they will automatically form a closed 5-pointed star. An egg is difficult to stand up. Quietly sprinkle a few salt on the table. The egg stands up only for a moment. We know that the match head is not magnetic. When it burns, it can be sucked up with a magnet. First pour alcohol into the sand as fuel. Then pour a mixture of sugar and baking soda. After lighting, you can summon an ancient pharaoh snake. Stick a straw on the balloon.